All right, guys, so this is my laundry closet. It is really just bothering me. I don't like it. I don't like how disorganized it looks, even though to most it kind of looks organized, but to me it doesn't. So definitely a project I'm gonna be tackling next. Yeah, definitely want to look into some things to make this look a lot better. I wish there was more shelving on this side, but yeah, definitely would like for this to look a lot better. Please don't mind my room that's messy over there. I'm about to make my bed. I'm not feeling the greatest right now, which is why my bed isn't made. It's usually made by this time. But yeah, so this is the laundry closet. I cannot wait to have it. Dang, you have to shake that hard, sir? Huh? You're up here shaking. Anyway, okay, so these are the supplies that I got from the store. There's some stuff from IKEA, some stuff from Amazon. If I have the links to any of these, I would definitely list them down below, but everything was super, super, super inexpensive. I pretty much knew that I didn't want any of the household like cleaning items to stay inside of their packaging. Because I think when you put it inside of a glass jar or just another type of packaging, it looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. So I knew that I needed to get some labels, because I did not want things getting mixed up, and next thing you know, we're using bleach instead of detergent. Girl, that would have been horrible.
Ryan Little.
Japan.
Yeah, so I've gone ahead and put all the items that go in their respective containers. So I have this really big container here for my laundry soap. And then I kept this little guy right here. I ordered a little holder from Amazon that's gonna sit at the bottom of this, and this is gonna sit on top of it, so we can still measure our bleach. And then I've got my stain remover. I've got some dryer balls. We've got some bleach. These are my scent boosters, and then we have softener back there. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do in this one yet. I'm thinking either I'm gonna put my Downy Wrinkle Release in there, or I'm going to put this in my shower and put my shower cleaner in here, so that it looks really pretty in the bathroom. But I haven't decided yet, so I'm just gonna leave this one to the side. So I need to go get another one of these, because you can see I didn't hang it really nice. I just wanted to see what it would look like. But one of them broke. These are super cheap from the dollar store, but one of them is completely snapped off. Either that, or I can just glue it. I haven't really decided what I'm gonna do with it. I might just glue it, just because, you know, I want to get done with this project already. But that's that. And then what I'm gonna do now is I am going to bring this down, and we are going to reorganize those inside of these baskets right here. So that's what I'm about to do. And the last thing I'm going to do is to just clean and give everything a wipe down. Just take the opportunity, as I'm already cleaning, to just make sure the washer and dryer are wiped down completely, and if there's any dust on there, it can exit stage left, because nobody want all of that.